Hi, in this video we are going to make this crochet cap for Barbie and similar dolls. You can make it in many colors as you want. Mine is on this cream color that matches some of the lines of the dress. So here we go, and I'm using yarn size 30, mercerized cotton size 30, and my hook is 0.6 millimeters. And we will start by making a adjustable ring. And now chain 3. And make a double crochet on the ring. We will make 11 double crochet, and we will count chain 3 as one double crochet. It's double crochet. Go around making the rest for a total of 12 double crochet. Here I have my 12 double crochets, and now I will join to the top of chain 3, which is the first double crochet of the first round. Okay, now for round number 2, we are going to chain 3. So 1, 2, and 3, and we will join with a single crochet on the next stitch this way. Continue all around making 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next stitch. Do this till the end of the round, and this will be round 2. Okay, here I finish my second round. Let's cut this tail so it doesn't get in the way of my work. Okay, and now this is the end, but we haven't joined, so I'm gonna join on the first chain 3 space. Here we are. Now for the third round, we are going to chain 3 and join on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, and single crochet, join with a single crochet on the same space. So we will join twice. Again, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, and single crochet at the same space. And we will do this sequence all around. This is my last stitch, and I will join on the first space created, but I have to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3, and I will join now to the first space, chain 3 space. So we will continue now making chain 3 and join with a single crochet on the next chain 3 space, and we will go until we have the desired length. 1, 2, 3, and single crochet on the next chain 3 space, 1, 2, 3, single crochet on the next chain 3 space. So this is the sequence we will keep. And here I have my round. I have 13 rounds. Later on, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I removed two rows, because it was a little bit long for the face of my doll. But now let's continue. We have kind of the last part, and for this part we are making single crochets on the chain 3 spaces. 1 and 2 for that first space. 1, 2, and 3 here and all around. 3 single crochets. We have just one space left, and for this one we will make 3 single crochets as well. 1, 2, and 3, and join with the slip stitch to the first single crochet. And we are making the brim now. We have one row of the brim. We need to make another one now. So continue by chain 1. Okay, remove. Okay, chain 1 and make a single crochet on each single crochet. 1 stitch on every stitch. Continue, and let's meet in the end. Go around and let's meet in the end. This is the end of the second round of the brim. I have 2 more single crochets to make, and join with slip stitch to the top of the first single crochet of this round. And here it is. We are basically done. Then we have to cut the yarn and hide the ends, but let's try it on my doll and see how it looks. Remember, I removed 2 rows, so I ended up having 11 instead of 13. But you can make it as long, as deep as you want. Here it is. You can combine these caps with any outfit and make lots of different colors. I really like it, and it's a quick and easy project that gives you instant satisfaction if you don't like long crochet projects. Well, thanks so much for watching, and drop in comments what other videos you want to see.